How to link other devices on Signal. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can link other devices on Signal. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step here is make sure that you have the Signal app. You can easily get it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. After you do have the Signal app, you can open it up and log in into your account. After you do that, if you want to sign in or link other devices to Signal, what you'll need to do is first open up your Signal on that very device. After you open that up, you should find a QR code. So after that QR code is set up, what you'll need to do is you'll need to come back to this app right here and then tap on the top left corner. Tap on settings, and after you tap on settings, there you will see linked devices. Tap on it. And after you tap on it, you will need to tap on link new device. So tap on that. And after you tap on it, you will see that it's asking for confirmation that it's you. Tap on continue. And if you want to use Face ID, you can do that. It's completely up to you. So after you go through the security process, simply scan the QR code. And after you scan the QR code, your device will get linked. And it's that simple. And yeah, that is basically how you link different devices on your Signal. And that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.